This video is a review of Takeda's fiscal year 2024 third quarter financial results from April 2024 to December 2024. Takeda Pharmaceutical Co Ltd is Japan's largest pharmaceutical company and one of the biggest global players in the industry. Founded in 1781, it specializes in researching, developing, and manufacturing prescription drugs, with a focus on oncology, gastroenterology, neuroscience, and rare diseases. FY2024 third quarter, year-to-date financial results summary. In Takeda's financial reports, reported and core refer to different ways of measuring financial performance. Reported reflects the company's full financial results, including all costs and one-time items, while core adjusts for certain one-time expenses to provide a clearer view of its ongoing business performance. For fiscal year 2024 third quarter year to date, both reported and core basis, all revenue and profit increased compared to the same period previous year. Specifically, core revenue increased by 4.5% to 3,528 billion yen, while core operating profit grew by 10.1% to 1,006 billion yen. Core net profit rose by 1.9% to 698 billion yen, and core EPS, earnings per share, increased by 0.9% to 443 yen. Although Takeda has not yet reached the highest profit level in the past, at least profits have increased from last year and is getting better. Raising full-year outlook. Takeda raised its full-year outlook, expecting growth in revenue, core operating profit, and margins, while also announcing a share buyback of up to 100 billion yen. The update is driven by strong product performance, slower than expected generic erosion of Vyvanse in the US, and operational expense savings. Additionally, Takeda is increasing its free cash flow forecast by 150 billion yen. An annual dividend per share is 196 yen, an increase of 8 yen from the previous year. The high dividend payout ratio is a concern, but the dividends have been increased and share buyback is also planned, so it is a good shareholder return. Vyvanse. Takeda's FY 2024 Q3 year-to-date revenue for Vyvanse in the US was 287.6 billion yen, reflecting a 13.5% decline. This decrease was due to the loss of exclusivity in August 2023, which led to the entry of generic competitors, impacting sales. Initially, Vyvanse sales in the US were predicted to decline about 50%, but as of now, there has been no significant impact yet. Sales exceeded prediction, which was a good result. Zasocitinib. Takeda is developing several new drugs, among which zasocitinib is expected to be one of the most promising. Takeda is developing zasocitinib for gastrointestinal and inflammatory diseases, aiming to create life-transforming treatments for both rare and more common conditions. Its late-stage pipeline programs have the potential to generate significant value. The company expects sales of up to 920 billion yen. Stock price. This is the Japanese yen base chart for the last 1 year. The Japanese yen stock price is 4,334 yen as of February 28th, and the US dollar stock price is $14.41 as of February 28th. Current PBR is 0.93 and PER is 58.2. Dividend yield is 4.52%. Because Takeda's earnings per share fluctuates greatly, it is difficult to compare. But current PBR and dividend yield are average figures compared to the last few years. Takeda's stock price has been rising since the announcement of this financial results. Conclusion. Profits are recovering, but are still far from record high net profit in the past. All pharmaceutical companies are in the same situation, but their business performance will largely depend on the new drugs that will be released in the future. The dividend yield of 4.52% is pretty good, and share buyback is good for shareholders at least.